So you want to stop a value from breaking outside the limit. That's what clamp node does. So we have here two clamp node, which one of which is integer and the second one is float. We can also get a vector one where this node can be brought by right clicking and typing in clamp, and it will show us how many type of clamp we have. For now we are going to use the integer one, and in this clamp node we give it a value, a minimum value and a max value, and it gives us a return value which can't be lower or higher than the minimum and max value. The logic we are using here is very simple, a 0.2 second of loop where we are taking a variable of 100 value, and we are reducing minus 10 point every 0.2 second, and it won't go, and it won't go below zero. It can go without the clamp below zero by minusing every 0.2 second, like minus 10, minus 20, and further. But because of clamp, it won't go below zero, as you can see on the screen. So let's reduce the speed a bit so we can see it very clearly. We will do it 0.5 seconds, so it is very clear. Yeah. So as we started here, as you can see, it's going very slowly, and it won't go below zero. And the same goes for addition. When we add the value of 10 again and again and again, it won't cross the value of 100. So let's just change the variable default value to 0, and we will keep adding 10. Now why we do it? Because in game dev, value always try to misbehave. Health wants to go into negative, stamina wants to overflow, the camera wants to tilt upside down. Clamp is a safety net that keeps everything believable. Now as you can see, we are adding 10, 20, 30, and it won't go above 100, which is the limit of the health system. It is very helpful, to be honest. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.